All right, so there's not too much extra we need to go over for subtracting decimals and mixed numbers. Okay, it's the same as addition where you have to find a common denominator. But what do you do in a situation like the following? If we have 5 and let's say 1/3 minus 1/2. All right. Well, they say to subtract your whole numbers first, just like addition. So 5 minus, well, there's nothing for the half, so 5 minus 0 is 5. But look at the 1/3 minus the 1/2. Okay. If I follow the rules of finding a common denominator, I'm going to get 2/6 minus 3/6. But you can't subtract. You can't say it's -1/6. Okay. So what you need to do instead is you need to borrow. So when subtracting decimal numbers, we borrow 10 from the largest decimal place. When subtracting mixed numbers, we sometimes need to borrow 1 unit from the whole number. Basically, the effect is to decrease the whole number by 1 and to add the denominator to the numerator. So let's say that this is, instead of 5 1/3, can we say that this is 4 plus 1 1/3? Do we still get our 5? Okay, and can we still subtract our half? I think so. But why will this matter? Because now I can say that I have 4 plus 4/3 minus 1/2. Okay? This is important because then we can take our 4/3, all right, and we can start, so we're going to move this way. We have, all we need to focus on is our 4/3 minus our 1/2. We find our common denominator. And all of a sudden, our problem becomes much more doable because now we're going to have 4. So the 4 is right here. Plus, let's see, what do we get here? 4 8/6 minus 3/6. Subtract our whole numbers. We still have a 4. Okay, 8 minus 3 gives us 5. So our final answer is 4 5/6. Okay, so not much difference with addition, other than that you're subtracting, and the other part is you must borrow at times from the whole number. Let's do one more. Okay, let's just make sure we got this. Let's say we have 3 1/4 minus 1 4/5. All right, well, if we do 1/4 minus 4/5, we get a negative. So we got to rewrite this as 2 5/4 minus 1 4/5. 2 minus 1 gives us a 1. So now it's just 5/4 minus 4/5. Let's find our common denominator. And what do we get? We get 25 out of 20 minus 16 out of 20, which will give us 9 out of 20 for a total final answer of 1 9/20.